All right, so here is the problem. It's not gonna open from the outside and also from the inside, right? So how are we gonna replace the door latch if it doesn't open? All right. Let's see here. Gonna get lucky. Yeah.
Fucking hit it.
Here. There we go. Oh my goodness. I'll try to be gentle, but he doesn't want to. All right. It's out. Now we can replace this. All right. Let's keep moving. Oh, come on, dude. Be nice. Okay, here we go. Okay, remove this. Okay, then find the sweet spot, which is right here. Oh, don't forget about this. Yeah, forget about this. All right. Undo this guy. Undo this first. There we go. Then we got 10mm. Okay. There we go. Now it's all loose. Now you're gonna need P30. This is the long one. The short one I have broke down, so yeah, we're gonna use the longer one for now. Right there. So we also need to remove this guide. All right, so now this is all loose. We have to drill this one too. It's right there. All right, so this is out, and there's one more here that we have to deal with. Now we should be good to go if we don't miss anything. That's the guide right there. Are we missing something? There we go. That one is loose. There we go. Maybe we should unplug something here. Where is it? There's a connector down here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so when you get to this point, make sure you don't hurt that. You can undo this guy right here. You can undo this guy. There we go. Now it breaks loose without dealing with this harness. There we go. All right. Stay there. Okay. All right. So here's the old one. Here is the new one. And we have to go transfer this. There we go. It's gonna go here. Then undo this one. Transfer it here. Make sure it's in there good. Cool. Now we're ready here. So this one is gonna go this way. The black one goes on the top. Right there. There we go. And line this up. All three are lined up. Press it in. There you go. Then work on these two boot. Don't forget about them. There we go. Cool. Now they're secured. Okay, I think we can hook this up now. There we go. Then let's see if we can put it in. Ah, come on, man. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't force it. Don't force it. There we go. There we go. Just be careful there, guys. You might break something when you do that. Just be careful. Okay, now we're all good. We're all plugged in. Did we plug that thing in? Nope. Yeah, I forgot about this. There we go. There we go. There you go. Then we can line this up. There we go. Screw this back in. We gotta slide this in first. There we go. Put this in. Then we're ready for this. Then take this carefully. Oops. What's up, bud?
So that one.
All right, we're back. I have to help my buddy to diagnose a sensor. I think we got it. Now let's focus on our job. That. And this guy right here. Can't mess this up because there's two different sizes. There we go. All right. Now.
So this left center one, that's where the input on the schematic, that's where it shows it comes in.
Oh yeah?
At least on the schematics.
Okay.
But might be a Christmas light situation. The first one caused all of them to take a shit past it. But then when you unplug it, the only fault code is the one. But then with them all plugged in, you get 4. Then if you were to unplug the one next to it, then you only have the codes for these 2.
Yeah. That one is good and torque. There we go. Let's go ahead and do this now. There you go. Now we can gently lower this down till it'll sit right there. Perfect. Put this in. Careful, don't drop it. There we go. Then put this in. Also, put this in. Put this back this way. Okay. And plug this in. Hook this up. All you have to do now is line it up. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Oh yeah. Okay. Fix. Oops, not that one. There we go. And hook this up. How? There we go. Sweet. Oh, look what we did. All right. This is Fix, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.